Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're not going to do what I thought we were going to do today. I initially intended to do a video over a sign for another YouTube channel out of Michigan, and I was going to rip up the oak so I could make the sign, glue everything up, and notice these little bitty holes in the oak. And this is actually not as bad as some pieces. Some pieces are just area of the border just covered. Well, my parents happened to be down yesterday, and my dad has been a contractor for over 50 years, taught woodworking and construction for over 30 years. He immediately looked at it and said, "That's a powder post beetle." Never heard of it. In short, he said, just burn the wood. It will infest the entire shop. It will tear up everything you have, and you don't ever take it inside your house, leave all your cabinets and everything. So, with that said, I'm going to go buy more oak and have to do the sign another time. So this time we're going to do another piece of wall decor. It's one I've been looking at for a little while, and let's just get started. came out looking real nice. I mean, as you saw on this tiger, just probably due to the design, it didn't get down inside the eyes. It didn't leave everything raised up as much as it usually does when I do these kind of relief carvings. And I mean, there were several places I had to get in there with a little detail sander. But all in all, I think it came out looking great. Again, this is going to be just another piece of one-off wall decor. Kind of like that owl I did last time. We're going to take them to trade shows, and if these things sell, I'll make more of them. If they don't, and I end up with them, I'll know that's something nobody wants. So, with that said, I've been tossing something else around. I've been tossing around starting a second YouTube channel. Just because I'm having a lot of fun with this, and I feel like this channel needs to be pointed towards CNC work and woodwork in the shop and stuff like that, since it's called CNC Woodworks. And I'm not sure what a second channel would be called, but I just kind of want to get some feedback. It would be basically what I do it about is just kind of everything else I do. It would be things I'm doing out in my yard, stuff I work at otherwise. I mean, I do a lot of other stuff than woodworking, and I would probably take it in vacations. And when we go, we've got a national park here. We have a federal lake here. We've got a natural water park about 15 miles away from here. So I mean, I could go look at all that stuff, show you some of the area, and probably just talk about a little of everything. And later down the road, whenever I get officially retired, I would probably talk about a little more law enforcement stuff, because right now it's against policy for me, but when I'm retired it would not be. So you guys just let me know, just leave a comment if you want to see that. I'll look at making one. If not, fair enough, I'll just continue to do woodwork. So anyway guys, that's about it for this time, and I'll see you all next time.